Okay, these are the procedures to properly authorize a Comcheck to pay for a lumper or any other service on the road. The first thing you need to do is you need to either call your driver manager or send a message saying that you need money put on your card for the Comcheck. In this case, I'm saying I needed $10 for a lumper. So after I've called them, they put the money on my card. Now I want to fill out the check. On the check, I want to write who it's written out to. I want to write the date that it is, the amount that we're writing the check out for. Our company name, obviously, is Heyl Truck Lines, and then our card number or express code. Now in this case, I'm using my card number, and that's the entire 16-digit card number that's found on the front of your Comdata card. I put that in this box where it says card number or express code. Now this check is filled out and ready to go after I call it into Comdata. So the next step I want to do is I want to get out my phone and I want to call Comdata. The number that we're going to call is right on the back of your Comdata card. It says cardholder services. That number is 1-866-288-9990. Once I call that number, it's going to ask me for some information.
And welcome to the on-road and express cash card services. Para Español, oprima dos. For quality assurance purposes, your call may be monitored or recorded. Please enter the last 4 digits of your card number. Please enter your card number. Please enter your 4-digit PIN. If you are calling to set your PIN, please stand by. Your current cash on card balance is $10.01. For faster service, available 24 hours a day, all of the following options are available in our free Comdata on-road mobile app. To hear more about our mobile app, press 1. For load history, press 2. For Comcheck draft registration,
I want to press 3.
For direct, your cash on card amount available is $10.01. Please enter the amount for your draft in dollars and cents and press the pound key. The amount entered was $10. If correct, press 1. To re-enter the amount, please enter the draft number located in the upper right-hand corner and press the pound key. The draft number entered was 39034563551. If correct, press 1. Please stand by. This transaction is complete. Please hold for...
Once that transaction is complete, you can go ahead and hang up the phone. This check is now live, and you can hand that to that lumper or that service person or whoever else that you were writing that check out to. If you have any questions, these step-by-step instructions are also in the driver manual that we gave you during orientation. Please reach out to your safety department if those are not there. Thanks.